Krishna's flute. The materials needed are, it has been listed here. I have also given the materials in the chat. So first of all, you will take a yellow Fabriano sheet and roll it, just as you roll a paper. Something like this. So it would be like this after you roll it. You have to stick glue so that it stays. Then you have your green sellotape or any other sellotapes or quilling strips you want. You have to roll it around it, something like this. Now you have to put some black bindis, or you have to punch a holes here. We can also put some black bindis in gaps, just like this. The first one you have to put in at the first, then you put a gap, and again you put 3 together, just something like this.
Then you hold it close so that everyone can see. Hold it for some time and come there. Okay? Yeah, you can tell grandmother to hold. Yes, it looks so nice.
So you...
Yeah. Girls, you all can roll. Get the flute ready. Roll it. Teacher is waiting for you all. You can all roll. You can put the sellotape. All those who want to do can get the first part ready. Okay, we are waiting. Till the time I'll talk to Dadi Ma. आप कैसे?
आप लोग को स्टोरीज अच्छा लगा? आप लोग सब खुश रहिए, मजे में रहिए और पढ़ाई भी करिए थोड़ी थोड़ा बच्चों।
बिल्कुल, ये बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बोली कि सबसे पहले खुश रहना बहुत जरूरी है। खुश रहेंगे तो सारा काम जो है अच्छे से होगा। बच्चे अगर खुश रहते हैं तो पढ़ाई लिखाई भी कर लेते हैं और उनको भूख लगती है तो खाना भी खाते हैं। लेकिन ये अच्छी बात है कि बच्चे एक्चुअली ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ अपनी समय बिता पा रहे हैं। तो मुझे लग रहा है ऋचा ने काफी सारी कहानियां सुनी हैं आपसे, उसने बहुत अच्छे से बताया है हमें, और हम ऐसे ही कोशिश करेंगे कि बीच-बीच में हम और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को भी बुला के अलग-अलग चीजें करा सके, जैसे कि हम आपसे भी कुछ सीख सकें। हम तो किताब से बहुत कुछ पढ़ के करते हैं, लेकिन आप जो है आपने कई साल पूजा पाठ अच्छे से किया है, तो आप जिस तरीके से बताओगे वो और ज्यादा अच्छे से होगा और बच्चे भी अच्छे से सीखेंगे।
हम लोग शांति निकेतन में है ना, तो इसलिए थोड़ा थोड़ा पूजा किया।
नहीं, लेकिन अच्छा किया आपने। त्योहार को मनाना जरूरी है। अभी हम कितने धूमधाम से मनाते हैं वो समय समय पे आता है। अगर हम मना सके बहुत अच्छी बात है।
थैंक यू मैम, आप हमको बुलाया इसलिए
अभी भी बहुत क्योंकि ऋचा भी हमको बोली थी कि वो ग्रैंड मदर के साथ कुछ करना चाहती है, तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, आप कुछ शुरुआत कीजिए। ये आपका आइडिया बहुत अच्छा था कि आप ये थोड़ा थोड़ा किया है, तो दूसरे बच्चे भी इससे सीख लेंगे और अगली बार उनकी ओर से भी हमको बहुत सारा अलग-अलग नया देखेंगे, आइडियाज मिल रहे हैं, वो भी अलग-अलग तरीके से कुछ न कुछ हमें दिखाएंगे और बताएंगे।
अच्छा लगेगा।
और आज कई बच्चे सुंदर से सज के भी आए हैं। They have all dressed up so well.
Yes, no, I saw Vanya first.
Yes, I can see Vanya. I can see Vanya. So beautifully all of dressed up. You know those baby Radhas looking so cute.
Thank you, ma'am. अच्छा लगे सब।
Okay, Basri, if the flute is ready, part 1, Richa can continue. You can continue. Oh, Yashita, so sweet. Yes, we'll take a group photo. Okay, and from your end also, please click individual photos and send me. We'll take a lovely collage of this. Okay.
Now we have to make a peacock feather like this, or you can take any peacock feather if you have, or you have to make one with Fabriano sheet. So you have to first take a green paper, then you take some blue Fabriano sheet and stick it. Then you will get in Google how to do it something like the peacock feather, and you can make it by yourself. your wish how to make it. Then
Okay, so can you hold?
it's like
Can you
this.
just lean back? Even more closer, yes. So
It's
they
like
can just
this.
see. It's
Yes.
like an eye, I think. So this one eye.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Type of eye.
Yes, it's very simple. Yes, all my girls can.
You can also search in Google and you can follow from that if you wish afterwards.
Asha, yes. Okay.
Now you have a decorative ribbon with you, and you have to cover both sides of the flute. Like this. You have to cover both sides of the flute. Like this. It will be like this, and it will be like this. Now you have to You can make a bow, or you can make any decorative ribbons or anything like that. And you can put a jhumka, something like this, and stick the feather like this. And your last ready-made item will be this. The jhumka is will be hanged with a thread here, and the ribbon which I have given as a bow, the bow will be tied, and it will be a sellotape which to cover the whole thing. This will be a sellotape part, and this will be a sellotape part.
Oh, lovely. I think, during Rakhi, girls have shown me beautiful lumas. You remember, girls, you had shown me those beautiful Rakhis which the females are tying to each other lumas. So that could also be used as that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think that can be reused. We can recycle also.
Yes.
Yes, that's looking very pretty. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's nice.
Now I'm holding it and showing to you.
I want my Krishna to hold it also. Yes, I have a lovely Krishna. Yay, Yashvi, you're looking so cute.
Now,
Taking a picture. For what?
and now,
Oh, that's lovely, Tanushi. So you must have had a lovely celebrate. Oh, yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, you know. Okay. Okay. So here you can say that based on the Hindu calendar, his birthday is on the day of Janmashtami. So he's little baby Krishna. Yes. and is he as mischievous and naughty? Does he love a lot of butter?
आप सबको कैसे लगा?
Girls, Aditi for 5 minutes because Aditi wants to tell us something. Okay, can you listen?
आप लोग को देख के अच्छा लगा? आप लोग को देख के हमको अच्छा लगा।
सबको भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। And Richa, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
आप खुशी रहिए।
yes, ma'am. Now, at lastly, you will need one small idol of Krishna or an image of Lord Krishna or yourself. Now, hold the flute by yourself and click a picture and send it to me.
So you're going to send it to Richa. Richa has given to us.
Ma'am, they can give it the Bible group if they want.
That's cute, yes. And दादी जी कुछ गाना गा रही थी बीच में। गाना गा रहे थे ना?
हरे कृष्ण नाम दिलो प्रिय बोलो राम, रखन राजा नाम रखे भक्तो श्री राम, अष्टोत्तर शत नाम दिलो नारायण, हरे कृष्ण नाम दिलो प्रिय बोलो राम, रखन राजा नाम रखे भक्तो श्री राम, जसोदर दिलो नाम जसोदरनी नाम राखिल नंद, अष्टोत्तर शत नाम नील नारायण, अष्टोत्तर शत नाम नील नारायण, कृष्ण नाम दिलो
जय बोलो राम, लखन राजा नाम रखे भक्तो श्री राम. I hope you like the narration of the birth story of Lord Krishna and making the Krishna's room. And don't forget to give the feedback in the 5B group.
Yes. We need feedback.
Diksha, I want to ask you something. Diksha,
Yes.
is it important to put the idol? As I'm also using this food for my dance competition, I have become Krishna. That's
So nice.
So cute.
So you can share the
Nice.
picture with us later.
Yes.
शायद आप लोग को अच्छा लगा.
जी, हमको भी
खुश
बहुत
रहो.
अच्छा लगा.
मजे में रहो. थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ाई भी कीजिए.